Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing your photo set and the GPS source you'll use. Connect your phone or copy the GPX track from a dedicated logger. This ensures timestamp alignment. Once done, make sure camera time matches phone time within a few seconds. This is critical because geotagging matches timestamps. Open your chosen geotagging app or desktop tool and load both images and GPS data. You're now ready to map timestamps to coordinates and begin tagging photos automatically or manually. You now align timestamps and perform the detailed tagging. First, load the GPX track and photos into the app, then let the tool auto-sync by matching EXIF times. If photos show shifted pins, manually adjust a time offset. Small errors happen because device clocks drift. Once aligned, preview points on the map and inspect several sample images to confirm lat/long accuracy. After confirming, apply the geotags to the entire batch and write the coordinates into each photo's EXIF so they stay with the files. You finish by exporting the geotagged photos and preserving originals as backups. Open a few exported files in an EXIF viewer to confirm latitude and longitude fields are populated and correctly formatted. Once satisfied, you can share or upload photos with location data intact. Some platforms may strip EXIF, so test one upload first. If locations are wrong, reopen the project, tweak the time offset, or manually enter coordinates for problem images. This quick resync fixes most errors without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.